Parathyroid gland. It is situated on the posterior border of the thyroid. There is a two pair of the parathyroid gland. It lies within the capsule of the thyroid and it is surrounded by the capsule. So here we are drawing the capsule. So at the left side and upper side we are drawing the capsule. So from the capsule it sends a septa and it divides the gland into a lobule. So poorly defined lobules. Lobules are poorly defined. The capsule contains the adipose tissue, blood vessels and connective tissue cells. Two types of cells are present in the gland, that is the more amount of cells, that is the chief cells. So most of the cell it is a chief cells, other cell it is a oxyphil cell. Other things in the gland, that is the adipose tissue, it is an endocrine gland, so it is a highly vascular, so there is a blood vessels. In the detail about the adipose cell, click on the I button. So here it is a parathyroid gland. Chief cells secretes the parathyroid hormone which increases the blood calcium level. Here it is a connective tissue capsule. Chief cells are small in size and large in number. Oxyphil cells are large in size. Adipose cell or fat cells. Blood vessels. So the chief cells are small in size. So when the nucleus lies nearer to each other, that is the chief cells, the nucleus slightly gap within each other, slightly separated, that is the oxyphil cells. So oxyphil cells are large in size than the chief cells. So cells are arranged in cones or clumps. Cells or adipose cell which appear around puberty and it increases in number. In older age, there is a 2/3 of the gland is filled with the adipose cell. Also the oxyphil cells that appear just before puberty and its number is also increased after that. It is around 4 to 5 mm in size and 50 microgram in weight. So it is surrounded by the capsule. The capsule sends a septa and it divides into the lobule. It divides into the poorly defined lobules. So you can compare it with the pomegranate. So how the seeds are there in the pomegranate. So you can, and there is a septa within the pomegranate, so that divides into a lobule. So you can compare the arrangement of the parathyroid gland with the pomegranate. Cell accumulate glycogen and lipofuscin. Depending on the quantity of accumulation, it is divided into light cell, dark cell and clear cell.